Jai Shri Gurudev. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ravi N, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, BGSIMS, Chikballapur. Yes, I am here to explain the problem number 11 in the subject income tax, which is meant for final year BCom and BBA students of Bangalore North University and Bangalore University. Yes, here is the question. Problem number 11. Mistress Pranita is working as sales manager in TCS Limited, Mumbai. Her salary income details are as follows. So Mistress Pranita is assessee in the question. Mistress Pranita is assessee in this question. And she working as a sales manager in TCS Limited. TCS Limited is a private organization. She is working in Mumbai. It is very important. Mumbai is a metropolitan city. Her salary details are given below. So her salary details are given below. A. Basic salary rupees 30,000 per month. 30,000 per month. So basic salary is fully taxable. Multiply with 12. 30,000 into 12. And bonus equal to 2 months basic salary. So bonus is equal 2 months of basic salary. Per month basic salary is 30,000. 2 months basic salary will be 60,000. So bonus is equals to 60,000. 30,000 into 2. And third one, commission at 3% on sales. During the year, she reached a sales target rupees 4 lakh. So she reached 4 lakh rupees of sales target. So she will get a 3% of commission on that sales. So that commission will be 4 lakhs into 3%. Next, dearness allowances rupees 10,000 per month. It is fully taxable. DA 10,000 into 12. But in the bracket they have mentioned only 40% enters into retirement benefit. What it means, only 40% of dearness allowances is forming a part of salary. That is for the calculation of retirement benefit. Retirement benefit ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರೀಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 40% ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ RPFಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ HRA ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚ್ಯುಟಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 40% ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಆರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್. That portion only should be taken into consideration. And E. Medical allowance rupees 2,000 per month. Actual medical expenses rupees 20,000. So these expenses, medical expenses should be ignored. Irrespective of the medical expenses, the medical allowances fully taxable. ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಅಲೋವೆನ್ಸಸ್ಸು ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲೋವೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಸೊ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲೋವೆನ್ಸಸ್ಸು ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು. 3,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಪರ್ ಮಂತ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ per annum entertainment allowances is rupees 3,000. And G. Children education allowance for her 2 children rupees 300 per month per child. Education allowances. So education allowance actually received is 300 per child. The two, for 2 children she is receiving education allowances. So that actual amount received is 300 into 2 into 12. And the exemption amount will be 100 rupees per child. Maximum of 2 children for maximum of 1 year. So that 100 into 2 into 12. That is the exemption amount. And next H. Company's contribution to RPF rupees 8,000 per month. So here percentage is not given but amount is given 8,000 per month. So 8,000 into 12 is the actual RPF. In that you have to deduct the exemption. Up to 12% of salary is exemption amount of RPF. So for the calculation of exemption amount you should take into consideration the 4 items: basic salary, dearness allowances, dearness pay and commission. After adding that 4 items, multiply with 12%, then you'll get an exemption amount, and balance will be the taxable RPF amount. And next, own contribution to RPF rupees 8,000 per month. Own contribution is exempted, it is not taxable. And interest accrued on RPF at the rate of 11%, rupees 44,000. So interest is accrued, which means they are earning interest on RPF account. So assessee earning interest on RPF account, that is 44,000 on the basis of 11%. How it is taxable? In the sense, it is very simple. First you have to either calculate total amount 100% amount, then 11% is the actual, then deduct 9.5% is the exemption, or else very easy thing is 44,000 into minus 11% in the 9.5% ಅನ್ನು ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡು, 1.5% ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅಪ್ ಟು 9.5% exemption. In excess of 9.5% is taxable. So that 44,000 into 1.5 divided by 11%. I repeat, 44,000 is the interest amount into 1.5. How comes 1.5? It comes after deducting 9.5 from 11%. So 11 minus 9.5, you'll get 1.5 divided by 11. So that is the calculation process. I'll show how to calculate that amount in the solution. Next, she is provided a car above 1600 cc along with driver, both private and official use. All expenses are met by the company. So she is provided with the car above 1600 cc. Above 1600 cc in the sense big car. She has provided with the big car. So that is provided for both official as well as personal purpose, and all the expenses are met by the company. So in this case you have to taken into consideration the amounts for the big car. So for the big car, 2,400 plus 900 for driver charges, okay, 3,300 into 12. Okay, and next last one is professional tax of rupees 200 per month of the employee paid by the company. Understand carefully, professional tax rupees 200 per month of the employee. So that is employee's obligation paid by the company. Employee not paid that professional tax, employer paid on behalf of employee, so that it is included in the salary as well as comes under the deduction. Okay, now compute taxable salary for the assessment year 2019-20. So this is a question. Now let me explain the answer. So here is the answer. First you have to write the heading: computation of taxable salary income. Assessee name. Who is assessee here? Assessee name is Mistress Pranita. Assessment year 2019-20. Status resident, and previous year 2018-19. So first item, basic salary. Already told you that basic salary is fully taxable. 30,000 per month is given, so 30,000 into 12, 3,60,000. Bonus 2 months equal, it is equal to 2 months of basic. So basic salary is 30,000, multiply with 12, you'll get a 60,000 as a bonus. Commission based on the sales, 3% is the commission. So 4 lakhs is the sales target reached by the Mistress Pranita. So 4 lakh into 3%, that is 12,000 rupees. And next to dearness allowances, 10,000 per month. So 10,000 into 12, full year ge 1,20,000 is the dearness allowances is taxable. Medical allowances 2,000 per month, multiply with 12, you'll get a 24,000, but expenses is given 20,000 as expenses, ignore that. And Entertainment allowances. Entertainment allowances is fully taxable. Per annum 3000 is given, that is fully taxable. And next children education allowances. Actual amount 300 into 2 children's into 12 months, 7200. Exemption amount 100 per 2 children's, 100 into 2 into 12 months. So 2400 is the exempted amount. Taxable 4800. And next company contribution to RPF in excess of 12% of salary. So I already told you they have given per month 8000 rupees. So 8000 per month, 8000 per month, 8000 into 12, 96,000. In that you have to deduct 12% of salary. 12% of salary. For this you have to take into consideration the meaning of salary, that is basic. Here I mentioned basic plus DA. The two DA 40% only plus commission. 3,60,000 is basic pay and 48,000 is dearness allowances. The two 40% only, and 12,000 is the commission. Totally 4,20,000 for the calculation of RPF. Okay, so that here 4,20,000 into 12%, 50,400. It is, this is 8,000 into 12 actual amount minus 12% of salary. 4,20,000 is the meaning of salary into 12%, 50,400. If you deduct this 50,400 from 96,000, you'll get 45,600 as a taxable amount of RPF. And next own contribution to RPF. Own contribution is always exempted. And interest on RPF 44,000 they given as interest, that is 11% is the interest rate. In that 9.5% is exemption, so that 1.5% only taxable. Okay, so that I have simply written as 44,000 into 1.5 divided by 11%. How comes that 1.5? 11% minus, how comes that 1.5? 11% minus 9.5. We'll get a 1.5. Again you have to divide 11% actual. Okay, yes. So 44,000 into 1.5 divided by 11. So the amount is 6,000. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಗೆ ಈಗ 12% ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 44,000 ಇಂಟು 2 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 12 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. 14% ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 44,000 ಇಂಟು 4.5 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 14%, ಈ ಥರ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ 9.5% ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇಂಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಕಾರ್. ಸೊ ಬಿಗ್ ಕಾರ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡೆಡ್. Already told you, for big car, if it is used for both personal and official purpose, 2,400 and 900 for driver charges, totally 3,300. Multiply with 12, you will get a 39,600. And professional tax paid by the company. If it is paid by employee, don't consider, ignore and take into consideration in the deduction. If it is paid by the company or employer, consider that item twice, once in a salary and secondly in the deduction. So it is paid by the company, so that consider here 200 per month, 200 into 12, 2,400. So after adding all the items, you will get a gross salary, that is 6,77,400. This is the gross salary, and in that you have to deduct the deductions. Deductions are 3. One is standard deduction 40,000. Entertainment allowances not applicable for the non-government employee, so that nil. Professional tax paid by employer is given, that is 2,400. Add these two, 40,000, 42,400, and finally we got 6,35,000. that is taxable income from salary. I hope you understand. Thank you all. Jai Shri Gurudev.